Junior Coder, your code teacher. Project 1, Square. Now, we are creating a square with loops as the first project. Now, let us see how to do it with loops in the code.org website. Now, after you're in your code.org website, in the side you have Create. Click on Create and here you will find Artist Lab. Click on Artist Lab and here we are. Now, this is the loops and I have explained about loops in the previous video, so be sure to see them. Now, let's see how to make a square with loops. First, take repeat times do block and here type 4 and actions here. From there, take move forward by 100 pixels and in actions again turn right will be there and from there 90 degrees turn right. So here we are. We have a perfect square. Now back to the presentation and let's see what's next. Now after we have finished our first project, the square, let us move on to the second one. Project 2, Square inside square. Now, project 2 will be a square inside a square with loops. Let us see how to do it in the code.org website. Now, this is the code we wrote for a square. Now, let's see how to make a square inside square with loops. Take all your code out from the workspace and delete them and let's start from the let's start from scratch. Now, in loops, take repeat times do block and here 4 and in actions take move forward and again from actions take turn right. Here 150. Why 150? Because we need a big square for fitting another square inside a square. Now, from actions take turn left and do not put it inside the repeat do blocks but outside like this. After you have done that, here type 90 degrees and next in actions take jump backward by about 50 pixels and turn right. Turn right by 90 degrees and jump forward again by 50 pixels and repeat 4 times. Now, I have just Ctrl C and Ctrl V the first code which we wrote and now in this code we have to make some adjustments like here instead of 150 just 50 and now here we go. You have a perfect square inside a square. Now back to the presentation for the next project. Now, after we have finished the second project, which is a square inside square, let us move on to the third project. Now, project 3 will be a circle with loops. This is the third project which we are going to make. Now, let us see how to make this in the code.org website. Now, again, remove all your code from the workspace and let us start again from scratch. Now, from loops, take repeat and here type 360 and here from actions take move forward and again from actions take turn right and move forward by 1 and turn right by 1. And here we go, the simplest process, and we have got perfect circle. Now moving on back to the presentation for the next project. Now after we have finished the third project, which is the circle, let us move on to the fourth project. The fourth project is a circle inside a circle. Now let us see how to make it in the code.org website. Now this is the code we wrote for a circle. Now this is not needed to be erased or deleted. Let us start with this itself. Now in actions, go here, you will find jump forward, take jump forward and here change it to jump backward and here put 50 pixels. This is for making it bigger because our circle is going to be humongous, so another circle will not be seen inside. Now take turn left from actions and here type 92 and repeat 360 and here is what we have to do the adjustments. Here type 2 and we have a humongous circle right here. And now moving on back to actions, take turn left and here 92 again and jump backward by 50 again and turn right by about 92 degrees again. Turn right and now just repeat and now what I've done here is repeat 360 times, move forward by, we have to change it here, 1 and turn right by 1 and now we have a perfect circle inside a circle. Moving on back to the presentation for the next project. Now after we have finished our fourth project, which is a circle inside circle, let us move on to the fifth project. Project 5 is a star. Now let us see how to make a star in the code.org website. Now take all your code out and make the workspace clear so we can start with the star. Now, star is quite easy to do. First, take repeat times do block and here type 5 and in actions you will find move forward and here 150 and turn right by about 144. Let me show you how this happens. As you can see, we have a perfect star. Now, moving back to the presentation. Now, after we have finished the fifth project, which is the star, let us move on. What's next? CS Fundamentals or Computer Science Fundamentals project and activity. The next session will be about CS Fundamentals project and explanation. Thank you for this session. Let us meet in the next session. Thank you.